वेलकम एवरीवन, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल PDPM नॉलेज में। आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग के एक इम्पॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट एडवांस वेल्डिंग के कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQ। आज हम पार्ट 15 डिस्कस करेंगे। शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। Fill in the blank is used to circulate the laser gas in the case of a fast axial flow gas laser. Option A compressor, B turbopump, C guide vanes, D vane pumps. Option B is correct answer. Turbopumps. Now see the explanation. In the case of FAF laser, a root blower or a turbopump is used to circulate the laser gas at high speed through the discharge region and corresponding heat exchanger. Next question. Fast axial gas flow gas laser are available between fill in the blanks है watt power level. Option A 10 to 100 watt, B 50 to 500 watt, C 500 to 6000 watt, D 6000 to 7000 watt. Option C is correct, 500 to 6000 watt. Now see the explanation. The fast axial flow laser with continuous wave output power levels of between 500 to 6000 watt are available. The fast axial flow laser have a similar arrangement of component as that of slow axial flow gas laser. Next question. In transverse flow gas type laser, gas is circulated across option A the resonator cavity axis, optical axis, deflection coil, the focusing lens. Option A is correct, the resonator cavity axis. Next question. In the case of laser welding, heat input is fill in the blank to fuse the weld metal. Option A equal to the required amount, close to the minimum required, C greater by 2000 joule than required, D approximately higher by at least 320 joule. Option B close to the minimum required. Now see the explanation. Following are the few advantages of laser beam welding. Heat input in close to the aluminum minimum required to fuse the weld metal. Reduce the heat affected zones. Workpiece distortion are minimized due to the smaller heat affected zone. Next question. Which of the following hold true about the laser welding process? Option A. Time for welding thick section is more in the case of laser beam welding. Shielding gas is used to melt the burr formed during the machining. In laser beam welding, sometimes filler material are used. D. In NdYAG laser, crystal of the C14 are used as the lasing material. Option C. In LBW laser beam welding, sometimes filler material are used. Option C is correct. Now see the explanation. Time for welding thick section is reduced and the need of the filler wire and elaborate joint preparation is eliminated by employing the single pass laser welding procedure, but filler metal may be occasionally used. Next question. Laser welding is performed with freedom from electrode contamination. True or false? It is true. Now see the explanation. In the case of laser beam welding, no electrodes are required. Welding is performed with the freedom from electrode contamination. बिना किसी इलेक्ट्रोड कंटामिनेशन के ये पूरी की पूरी वेल्डिंग परफॉर्म होती है. इंडेंटेशन और डैमेज फ्रॉम द हाई रेजिस्टेंस वेल्डिंग करंट. जो इंडेंटेशन और डैमेज फॉर्म होता है वो हाई रेजिस्टेंस करंट वेल्डिंग के थ्रू होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डज नॉट होल्ड ट्रू अबाउट द लेजर बीम वेल्डिंग? ऑप्शन ए. लेजर ऑफ द वेल्डिंग कैन नॉट बी यूज इन द केस ऑफ ज्वाइंट एट इंट्रिकेट लोकेशन. बी. It can produce tiny weld. C. Laser welding can be used for the variety of metal combination. D. In the case of laser beam welding, thin weld on the small diameter wire are less susceptible to burn back? Option A. Laser beam welding cannot be used in the case of joint at intricate location are correct. Now see the explanation. Following are the advantages of laser beam welding. Welding in areas that are not easily accessible with other means of welding can be done by laser beam welding, since the beam can be focused, aligned and directed by the optical element. Next question. Laser welding are not influenced by option A. Electric field, magnetic field, radio waves, ultraviolet ray. Option B. Magnetic field. It is not influenced by, मतलब लेज़र वेल्डिंग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड के थ्रू इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं की जा सकती. ऑप्शन बी इज़ करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एस्पेक्ट रेशियो दैट इज डेप्थ टू विड्थ रेशियो of the order of option A 1:2, B 5:10, C 10:1, D 15:1. Option C is correct, 10:1. Now these are the following explanation of laser beam welding. Now see it. Aspect ratio, that is depth to width ratio of the order of 10:1 are attained in laser beam metal welding. The metals with dissimilar physical properties such as electric resistance can also be welded. No vacuum or X-ray shielding is required. Next question. Weld penetration of larger than fill in the blank are difficult to weld by laser beam welding. Option A 5 mm, B 13 mm, C 19 mm, D 25 mm. Option C 19 mm is the correct answer. Maximum joint thickness that can be welded by laser beam welding is near about 19 mm is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following material property has no effect on the laser beam machining? कौन से ऐसी लेज़र बीम मशीनिंग में कौन से ऐसी मटेरियल की प्रॉपर्टी है जो उसको इफेक्ट नहीं करती है? ऑप्शन है रिफ्लेक्टिविटी, बी थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी, सी वेल्डेबिलिटी, डी इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट आंसर, इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी. हायर रिफ्लेक्टिविटी एंड हायर थर्मल कंडक्टिविटी ऑफ ए मटेरियल लाइक एल्युमिनियम एंड कॉपर एलॉय कैन अफेक्ट द वेल्डेबिलिटी with lasers. Also, in the case of mechanical clamping of the weld joint, it must be ensured that the final position of the joint is accurately aligned with the beam impingement point. Next question. Laser tends to have very low energy conversion efficiency. Option A true, B false. Option A is true is the correct answer. Laser tends to have fairly low energy conversion efficiency. थैंक यू सो मच फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखने के लिए. हम आपके लिए कुछ और इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQ लेकर के आ रहे हैं. प्लीज़ बने रहिए हमारे साथ और प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए हमारे इस चैनल को एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर द फर्दर अपडेट्स. थैंक यू.